What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, and today we got an awesome watch face to check out for the Monday grind. And yes, people, it is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. This one here is definitely worthy of a download. All right, so let's check out this watch face. Now, the developer that created this one goes by the name of MDO Watch Faces. This guy gets down on watch faces. You got to check out his lineup. If you haven't checked it out, he's got some free ones too that are waiting to be downloaded as well. This guy does a great job on creativity and designs for watch faces. So with that being said, let's go ahead and let's check out this watch face. Now, the name of the watch face is called MDO 132. I thought this was a really good look. Maybe, just maybe, it's a contrast of colors that's blending in all together. The design of the watch face also is on point. I like the look. Now, in the AOD mode, you're gonna get a traditional analog look. When the watch face is on, here's where everything starts to shine with a free watch face. Now, up at the top, you're gonna get your battery info, step info right here, your 24-hour digital time. You're gonna also get your heart rate information right there, and it is interactive, so if you tap on the battery or your steps or your heart rate, you can go into that application, get more status info. Now, I also like the design of the watch face as well, because up at the top, you're gonna get the day of the week and your date, and down here, you're gonna get your month. So I like the design, I like the way he pulled everything together. Not a bad watch face, especially considering that it's free. Now, most free watch faces do not have features and functions to it. This one does, which makes it worthy of a download. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're getting ready for the Monday grind. And if you like the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.